Dear teacher, please bear in mind that you all are game changers. What you do every single day is changing more lives than you know. Because of the sacrifices you offered every single day, attending to the needs of the learners. Because of teachers, because of educators and administrators like you that speaks about life. Because of people like you, our country has a fighting chance. The Philippines has a fighting chance. And the next generation has a fighting chance. In the face of adversity, it is your unwavering dedication and passion for education that will shape the future of this country. Despite the challenges posed by a massive corruption we are seeing through television and social media and lack of support from the government, you remain beacon of hope, guiding the next generation towards a brighter tomorrow. Teachers, you are the last bastion of hope. The guardians of our collective future. When all else seems lost today, it is the education system that will endure, nurture the minds and hearts of those who will one day lead our nation. Your role is not just imparting knowledge, but you inspire, you motivate, and you empower the student to become the change that we wanted for tomorrow. So, dear teachers, keep holding on the hope, even if it seems slimmiest as thread. Your work is the foundation upon which a better future is being built. Dear tired teachers, when things are getting you down, don't forget that because of you, someone can write their name and read their favorite book. Mga magtutudlo, ayaw ninyo kalimti na kung dili ninyo na ibata karon dito na kamamumot sila. Kung dili tungod ninyo, walay bata karon punta na dili ito makumuiha. Kung dili tungod ninyo, walay bata punta karon na mas maambisyon pa, mas dako sa kung unsa na sa ilang kinabuhi na nakita ina sa ilang pamilya. That's why our dear teachers of this